welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing great. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I style my afro hair. If you haven't watched the video on how I install this crochet hair on my head, then I'm going to leave a link up here, so you check that video after this so you can know how to install it before you know how to style it in this video. So let's get started. I'll also be using this Ankara right here to spice up some of the styles, so stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Okay, so the very first way I have been rocking this hair, especially when I'm going out now that it's cold, is just to make sure my ears are hiding inside the hair. So I wear it out mostly like this, but there are so many other ways I can style. Okay, let's get started. So your best style in the comment section below, and subscribe and